Today, I will show you how to change the default username and password on a TP-Link router in a clear and simple way. Follow each step carefully so you can update your login details without any confusion. Before we begin, I also want to remind you how important it is to stay safe online. A VPN protects your privacy, hides your activity, and makes your internet connection more secure. NordVPN is one of the best options available today. It is fast, simple to use, and trusted by millions of people. You will find the special NordVPN link in the description, and I will explain more about it at the end of the video. First, open the browser on your computer or phone. In the search bar at the top, type the numbers 192.168.1.1. After typing this, press Enter. When you do that, the TP-Link login page will appear on your screen. TP-Link routers usually have the same default username and password. Both are the word admin written in small letters, so in the username field, type admin. In the password field, also type admin. When both fields are filled, click on the Login button. After you log in, you will see the main dashboard of your TP-Link router. This is where all the settings are. To change your username and password, look at the menu on the left side. Find the option called System Tools and click on it. When it opens, look for the option named Password and click on that as well. Now you will see a page where you can update your details. On the right side, you will see 3 sections. The first section asks for your old username. Since the default username is admin, type admin there. The next section asks for your old password. Again, type admin. Below that, you will see 2 fields where you can enter your new username and your new password. In the new username field, type the username you want to use. You can choose any name you like. After that, move to the new password field. Type a password that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Then type the same password again in the Confirm Password field. After filling all the details correctly, click on the Save button. Your router will restart to apply these changes. This may take a few seconds. When it turns back on, you will be asked to log in again. Now enter the new username and password that you just created. Click Login. If everything was typed correctly, you will enter the dashboard again. This means your TP-Link username and password have been successfully changed. Changing these details is important for your online security. Another way to improve your online safety is by using a secure VPN. A VPN helps keep your internet activity private, protects you from tracking, and keeps your connection safe on public Wi-Fi. NordVPN is known as one of the best VPNs available today. It gives fast speeds, strong security, and easy apps for all devices. By the way, if you want to try NordVPN at a discounted price, I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.